Hello everyone, welcome to another Fire TV and Fire Stick tutorial video. Now in this video, I will show you how to set sleep timer to turn off automatically. Now most Amazon Fire TVs don't have this feature, and as you can see right here, how do you know if your Fire TV stick or cube has a sleep timer? Now while several Fire TV devices have a sleep timer feature, many others do not. Now, unfortunately, there is no way to tell if your Fire TV will have this function from its model number. So what you can do is you can try it out in the settings. You can long press your Fire TV remote's home button. So on your remote, press and hold home button, open the quick menu, and then look for sleep timer. If there is no sleep timer, then you don't have that feature. If there is a sleep timer, then you can open this option and adjust it accordingly. You can adjust it whether you want to turn it off automatically in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, whatever you want. You can do that right there. Now, if instead sleep timer, you only see sleep option, then your Fire TV does not have a sleep timer. Now, obviously there are a few alternatives that you can use with your sleep timer. So first one is to install an app that will actually turn off your sleep option automatically. And there is one way to kind of see if your Fire TV has the sleep timer option, and that is if it's a newer version. So if it's a newer version, then it will have sleep timer there. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video.